Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to rotate text direction clockwise in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to rotate the text direction clockwise. At first, select any cell. Now I am select the cell. Go to the home menu. Select the orientation drop down menu. Go to format cell alignment. We can see here open the alignment option. We can see here the orientation. You can change the orientation. Now I am make the orientation the clockwise, then click OK. We can see we rotate the text direction clockwise easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.